Good morning, this is Dr. Cliff Faver, and I'm here to talk to you about puppies. We're here today to give you some of the ins and outs and some of the things that you should look for, and once you get a puppy, some of the things that you need to be concerned about. Once you've made the decision to get a puppy, it's very important that you pick the right puppy. Each family has their own needs and have their own desire of what they want out of a dog. Unfortunately, a lot of times people pick dogs that are just something that look good or they think would be cuddly and be fun. But each breed is what they are. If you're in an apartment, a working dog's probably not the best dog for you because they need a lot of exercise, they need a job. And if you don't have a job for them, a lot of times they become destructive. If you've got a young family, a big dog that's rambunctious and a bulldozer is not going to be good for the little ones. A lot of times they're going to get beat up and they're going to get torn up. You also don't want a dog, if you don't have a lot of time to spend with them, you want a dog that you can train to serve your needs. If you get a hard-headed dog and one that doesn't really want to respond to commands or takes more training, that maybe is not the dog for you. So once you've decided that you want to buy a dog and the family has agreed that we're going to do that, then you need to really research the different breeds. And I think it's very important to talk to groomers and to talk to veterinarians and talk to trainers so you know a lot about the breed. Another important part is grooming, is veterinary care. Once you make the decision to buy a dog, if you put all your money in the dog, then you don't have enough money to take care of some of the other basics on that. It's important to pick a dog that matches your economic style also. If you don't have a lot of money to spend on a dog, you really don't want a dog that needs to be groomed on a regular basis. Maybe you want to decide to get a short-haired dog, something that doesn't require a lot of follow-up and a lot of care. If you've got a lot of time in that, you can do whatever you want. If you want a foo-foo dog and that's what you want in your life, then that's perfect. Just know that you're going to have to spend some time at the groomer in that. Anytime you get a dog that is very intelligent, you need to be smarter than the dog. So a lot of times you need to spend time with the trainer. You need to make sure that you are the boss in the household and the dog's not running the household. And of course, there's always the veterinary care. A lot of times people buy dogs and unfortunately they buy them in places that they're not as healthy as they should be, and now they're faced with some very expensive bills. So it's very, very important that you make sure you get a health check. And I think that it's important to bring this team of people together before you get a dog so that you know what you're getting and that you're able to make that the beginning what it needs to be so that you've got a lifelong enjoyable pet in your life.